I am a 14-year breast cancer survivor, and I just have to say, cancer was a great life coach for me. These are just some of the things that I learned that I want to share with you. For example, I do know that laughter is the best medicine. Fear is your worst enemy. You have to say goodbye to all the negativity and all the toxic people that surround you. They just bring you down, 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 and you want to be up, 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 up. A support group cheers you, helps you move forward, and elevates your self-esteem, so it's really important. Knowledge is power. It's a cliche, but it's true. The more you know about your diagnosis and the side effects, the more prepared you are to fight and overcome it. Between hair or life, always choose life. Cat never did anything. The less you feel like doing something, the more effort you need to put into that something that you don't want to do. Eat, eat, eat. I love that one. You have to forget about the diet because food is what gives you energy to go through the day. Exercise is so important to keep those muscles strong. If you don't move it, oops, you lose it. You are the captain of your ship. Stay focused and keep those hands on the helm. Navigate and enjoy your life.